Looking for the perfect scope rings to enhance your shooting experience? You're not alone. Choosing the right set can dramatically improve your accuracy and comfort. Whether you're a seasoned marksman or a beginner looking to upgrade your gear, finding the right scope rings is essential for optimal performance. Stick around to discover the best options on Amazon and find out which one stands out as the ultimate choice. All right, let's dive into it. Number 6, ZEISS Precision Ultralight 1913 Mil-Spec Riflescope Mounting. First up, we have the ZEISS Ultralight Precision Scope Rings, which are the go-to choice for precision shooters. Made from 7075 to 6 aluminum with an anodized finish, they're both durable and lightweight, weighing just 4.4 ounces for the 30 medium rings. With sizes ranging from 30 to 36 mm and multiple height options, you're sure to find the perfect fit. And the built-in leveling bubble is a standout feature, catering to both left and right-handed shooters. The micro-radiused edges reduce glare, and the integrated recoil lug keeps everything secure even under heavy recoil. While the price tag of over $200 might seem steep, these premium rings offer unmatched performance. The single T25 screw mounting system might not be for everyone, but if you're serious about your shooting, these are worth every penny. That's right, the features that will knock your socks off while working out. Right now, they're perfect for long-range shooters who demand precision and reliability in their equipment. Number 5, Vortex Optics Pro Series Riflescope Rings. Next, we have the Vortex Optics Pro Series. Reliable, durable, and ideal for a variety of setups. These rings come in 4 heights and are crafted from tough materials with a hard, matte, anodized coating. They include 2 T25 Torx screws for secure mounting, and the integrated recoil lug ensures your optics stay put even after heavy recoil. At around $75 to $100, they're a bit pricier than some, but the quality is definitely worth it. Plus, they're USA made and come with laser-engraved torque specs for precise installation. Whether you're a hunter, long-range shooter, or weekend range goer, these rings offer great performance without breaking the bank. Vortex also backs their products with a lifetime warranty, giving you added confidence in your purchase. Number 4, Monstrum Precision Scope Rings. 1-inch. Looking for a budget-friendly yet reliable option? Emotion 1 Precision Scope Rings could be the perfect fit. Priced under $20, these rings deliver great performance at an affordable price. They're versatile, fitting both Picatinny and Weaver rails, and are available in multiple sizes and heights, from low to very high. Made from durable aluminum and equipped with integrated recoil lugs, they offer solid stability. The downside? Some users report fitment issues, and the screws can be tricky, though a bit of self-flapping usually solves the problem. Despite these minor issues, the Monstrum rings are backed by a lifetime warranty, offering peace of mind. For those on a budget, these rings pack a lot of value, making them an excellent choice for beginners or those looking to outfit multiple rifles without overspending. Number 3. Vortex Optics Sport Cantilever Riflescope Mounts. If you're after an affordable, reliable way to mount your Vortex scope, the Vortex Sport Cantilever mount is a fantastic choice. Starting just over $100, it's the most budget-friendly option from Vortex. The Sport Cantilever mount comes in 1 and 30 min sizes with 2 offset options, 2, 3, and 4 screws per ring for a secure fit. Made from durable materials, this mount will stand the test of time. While it's a bit pricier than some, it's built to last and is perfect for those loyal to the Vortex brand. It doesn't have quick detach features, but it still does the job well and is a solid investment for anyone looking for reliability. Its lightweight yet rugged construction ensures your optics stay aligned during intense shooting sessions. On my website, while in wait for the Vortex brand, it doesn't have bags or bags. Pocket space is lighter than usual, and it's lightweight enough to fit in your pockets. Place it lightly to the ground so you don't get water in the ground. It lifts up lightly enough to fit in your pockets. Place it lightly to the ground so you don't get water in the ground. It lifts up lightly enough to fit in your pockets. Number 2, Monstrum Slim Profile Series. Cantilever. If you're looking for something budget-friendly but still functional, the Monstrum Slim Profile Series is a standout. The quick release levers make switching scopes fast and easy. perfect for those who frequently swap scopes or use backup iron sights, BUS. Weighing just 5 Oz, a bit more with the quick release, it's lightweight and sturdy. Swimming in one rocket boosts your energy out the other. And available in black and FDE with both 1 and 30mm sizes, it offers great value at a lower price point compared to big-name brands. If you're on a budget but need a quick-release system, this is your best bet. Its slim profile also reduces bulk, making it ideal for tactical setups where mobility and agility are key. Number 1, BURRIS P.R.O. Durable. Finally, the top pick, the BURRIS P.E.R.P. mount. This mount is tough, reliable, and ideal for flat-top rifles. Featuring a 2 offset and 6 screws per ring, it's built to handle anything you throw at it. The Picatinny ring tops allow you to add accessories like a micro red dot sight, and the 6 screws ensure your scope stays in place even under heavy recoil. While the BURRIS PER weighs a bit more at 9 pills, it's still considered a solid tactical choice. It's cost-effective compared to other alternatives, making it perfect for budget-conscious buyers who need something durable and reliable. Whether you're heading to the range or out on a hunt, this mount delivers consistent, dependable performance. And there you have it, folks, the top scope rings you can get your hands on. Whether you prioritize budget, durability, or high-end precision, there's something on this list for everyone. Which one do you think stands out as the best? Let me know in the comments below. All the product links are in the description, so don't forget to check them out. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more content just like this. Thanks for watching, and happy shooting!